Hello, lovely souls, and welcome to a world of enchantment and inspiration. We are thrilled to have you here, ready to embark on an extraordinary journey with us. Today, we're diving into a realm of endless possibilities, where curiosity knows no bounds and imagination comes alive. So buckle up and get ready to experience something truly magical. Welcome to our whimsical wonderland. Let's dive into the exciting Orly versus OP nail polish video. Let's kick things off with an introduction to Orly. This brand has been an industry favorite for decades, known for its high quality and innovative nail products. Orly nail polishes come in a wide array of shades and finishes, catering to every nail lover's preferences. They're known for their smooth application and long-lasting formulas. Now let's turn our attention to OP, another leading brand in the nail polish realm. OP is celebrated for its vast range of stunning colors and cleverly named collections. They're often the choice of professional nail artists due to their chip-resistant and highly pigmented formulas. OP nail polishes are also known for their smooth and streak-free application. When it comes to color selection, both Orly and OP offer an extensive range of shades and finishes. Orly's color palette is diverse, ranging from classic naturals to bold and trendy hues. OP, known for its creative collection themes, continuously introduces exciting new shades, ensuring there's something for everyone. Next up, let's talk about the formulation and application of these nail polishes. Both Orly and OP pride themselves on creating high-quality formulas that provide smooth and even coverage. The brushes and their nail polish bottles are designed to facilitate precise application, making it easier for both beginners and professionals to achieve flawless manicures. When it comes to longevity and durability of nail polishes, OP has built a strong reputation for being chip-resistant and long-lasting. Many users report that their OP manicures can last up to a week or more without chipping. Orly nail polishes are also known for their durability, and while they may require a touch-up after a few days, they generally hold up well. Price and accessibility are important factors to consider when choosing a nail polish brand. Orly and OP are both available in various stores and online platforms, making them easily accessible in terms of price. Orly is often considered slightly more budget-friendly compared to OP, but both brands are generally considered to offer good value for the quality they provide. Special collections and collaborations add an exciting twist to nail polish offerings. OP, in particular, is known for its fun and themed collections, often collaborating with celebrities and pop culture icons. Orly also occasionally releases limited edition collections that capture the latest trends. For those who prioritize ethical considerations, both Orly and OP offer vegan and cruelty-free nail polish options. They're committed to creating products that are free from animal-derived ingredients and are not tested on animals, catering to the growing demand for cautious beauty choices. Overall, both Orly and OP are fantastic choices for nail polish enthusiasts. With their wide selection for colors, long-lasting formulas, and smooth application, you can't go wrong with either brand. Whether you prefer Orly's diverse color palette or OP's creative collections, both brands offer high-quality nail polishes that will elevate your manicure game. Thank you for joining us for this exciting Orly versus OP nail polish battle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty-related content. Share your favorite nail polish brand or shade in the comments below. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!